Hey guys, this is Daniel. I'm going to go over my trade with you really quick for today. I had a one and done on LK. In this first minute, it tried to sell off through VWAP, and then in the second minute, it squeezed up. This is all-time high here. It broke through all-time high, and then on this pullback to VWAP, I went long. I put my stop loss just below VWAP, and I started selling heavy up here towards 48.50. And then on this big drop, I got stopped out with the rest of my position just above break even. I didn't have that much shares left. Um, I had a lot of signals on this trade. It was gapping up 4%. We had some big asks here on level 2. It was at all-time high, and whenever the price action is at all-time high, there's usually a lot of activity. It rejected these moving averages here on a 5-minute chart. It rejected this moving average here on a 1-minute chart, and this candle especially here, if it was going to run into any resistance, it would have been at all-time high. In the second minute of trading, it squeezed and broke through that level, so I knew there's a really good chance that we're going to get a move to the upside. I was actually hoping that we could get up to 50, but as you can see, we didn't get there. And that is my trade for today. Have a good day.